Hi traders, it's Nathan here from TradeView and welcome to episode 308 of the Trading Talk series. In today's episode, I've built a model based on a request from one of my clients who I've been working with. The really cool thing about this is that Glau, who sent through the strategy, has been working with us through the systems building program. He's taken some of the Trading Talk episodes and has had them running them on his demo account, and now he's wanted to work on some of his own ideas. I thought it'd be a really cool idea to actually use this as an example of the process of sending through a strategy and working with you on how it can get built step by step. You may have already seen some of the great results that have been shared in the TradeViewX chat rooms or on our website, but we're seeing more and more clients get some fantastic results both in demo and live trading on the TradeViewX platform in the cloud. These range from new traders who have just been getting into it, into clients who have been trading for a very long time but haven't been able to make it work. So if they can do it, I'm confident you can do it too. Finally, we're only a few months away from this year's Algo Trading Conference, and we're seeing more and more clients who have been looking to learn from some of the world's best traders. If you haven't booked in your ticket, but you would like to learn some of the techniques which can help you elevate your trading and the results you're getting, then please give us a call here on our trading desk and let's book in your ticket. I hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and as always, all the best with your trading.